All right, let's just get started. All right.
Yeah, definitely. I'm ready.
Okay, cool. All right, today is May 3rd, Friday. This is our weekly stand-up. We'll start with the tech. Andler, maybe you can get
Hello.
started.
Sure, Jen. Nice to be on this meeting. So on tech, start with Bitlauncher. I don't have updates this week though. What I did some observations while I was doing a walkthrough for the sign up and login from desktop to mobile, which is really QR code. So I found some bugs for the mobile sign in process, login process. So other actions has been taken and we are targeting to fix it as soon as possible before middle of the next week. And yeah, that's about it on Bitlauncher.
Yeah, it'd be good, probably good to try to get it done Monday, rather
Yes.
than middle next week if we can. But
Oh, okay. Sure. No problem. We can expedite that. The thing is that we already identified the problem, but yeah, just we need to work on that. Definitely.
okay. All right. Next topic is Bitcash app.
Yes. So the Bitcash app, we did the email. We sent around 2,000 of emails has been sent to users. So we are waiting them to finish their KYC. We have seen the engagement. It's been a little bit slow this week, but it seems that it's slowly growing. Users are trying to get into the app, but it's just growing slowly right now. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
yeah.
it's not a priority really because our user base is really for the peer-to-peer on-ramp. So I think we're switching gears more for the token purchasers and the pre-sale and token sales. So
Yep.
yeah, it's okay, but it's good that you did the kind of the follow through via email. All right. Next topic is Bitcash blog and landing page.
Yes, so the blog has been updated to be part of the main site, bitcash.org. Currently, we are finishing some test runs to verify regressions if there's any. So far, we haven't found any issue. However, we're going to deploy the updated version to before or on Tuesday next week. Better that day by the middle of the week. Tuesday is the best day.
Great, great. Okay. Next topic is dboard.
Yes, so now the Web3 version, EOS.people.ai, is ready for discussions. We started this week to create new discussions internally, and yes, so we have the discussion active, and we are slowly engaging with the public within the work, but first internally for our topics.
So that's good. The Web3 version, we had some bugs that we were testing. How's that going?
Unfortunately, it has been slow. We're pushing for to have this fixed as soon as possible. We have some blockers this week, but further notice, I'll give it in the next stand-ups. But yes, we're unfortunate to have that fixed as soon as possible.
So do we just have to follow with Eric on that?
That's true.
Okay, we'll do that. Chain graph next.
Well, on this part, I could not move forward this week. I don't have blockers so far, but it's just a matter of time. However, next week I will have more time open for chain graph. We just need to do the last update related to that.
Okay, we had some action items. I guess the next topic is security. We had some action items without going into detail, but or how's progress
Mhm.
on those?
Oh, we are enforcing security on our tools and access to every site that we use our Bitcash emails. We enable the two-factor authentication with hardware. We are enforcing around team with that. So we're double secured. We're also needing to deal with the security on the rest of the aspect. Unfortunately, we couldn't talk too much about security, but the most important thing is the access to ensure that we're keeping our access safe. So it's some progress.
Okay, yeah, we'll continue the conversation. The next topic is L1 chain. There's not a lot of progress there other than some conversations that continue on Telegram. We'll probably move over to dboard to continue the conversation there. So we're still in progress. There's a lot of different topics we talk about identity right now. So that's pretty much it with the L1 chain. So marketing, we'll go to that next. There's nothing on the design side. I did request the designer to come up with some ideas around the shirts, t-shirts that I can wear on the YouTube interviews and our team members can wear in general on video. So but it was a pretty straightforward design. All we want is essentially shirts that you can show on video. So just on the front, a logo, either a big logo or a small logo. So anyway, so there's, other than that, the only other request in design was a couple requests I made to you to kind of create a better logo for our
Oh
Bitcash
yes.
Twitter and YouTube accounts. So it's kind of like we're just iterating and experimenting a little bit there. The second topic is Telegram. We're continuing to invite users onto the Telegram. We do have the intro video. It's great. I haven't uploaded it to YouTube. That's something I'll probably do Sunday today, this week. Is the KOLs, Twitter KOLs, Coinband. No real update there. They said there was some, yeah, they're getting people together. So hopefully early next week, we'll have our first KOLs to interview and discuss our efforts with. So Crowd Tamer ads. We're scheduled for the middle of the month. I'm just kind of negotiating the initial contract there. Galaxy, I didn't do anything there with the airdrops. We should really discuss that on D-board as well to see what kind of airdrop, if any, makes sense. There's a lot of, I've just been just thinking just on my own to see if it really, what really makes sense. Twitter, I have working with someone to try to schedule tweets out. We have a strategy. We're doing a couple tweet threads daily. We'll shoot for a couple daily tweet threads and certain responses to others on Twitter, and we'll try to respond probably with a tweet every hour or so. That's our goal, to have a tweet every hour. So we're getting that all together. In terms of the scheduler, we have Hootsuite. Seems to be very robust, so that's a good thing. The YouTube and also all the YouTube Shorts and eventually, hopefully, TikTok and Instagram. I did 3 YouTube interviews this week. Hopefully we get more. I mean, we need to get maybe double that, at least 1 per day, hopefully 2 per day. But anyways, we have 3. We're kind of a little bit backlogged in terms of creating the content out of that, but hopefully early next week, we'll try to do the same thing where we have a good schedule of, 1 per hour, like one content piece per hour on YouTube, Twitter, not Twitter, but YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So anything on the marketing side on your side, I guess?
Yes, I have been creating for YouTube and shorts for Twitter specific. So these tutorials are merely share AI tools and in programming in general. So I'm planning to use this content within the other social media. On LinkedIn and Twitter, I just started to create more content to be more active. So I'm just sharing more about my opinions, perspective, and tutorials. Something that I really like to do. So I think it will be very convenient.
Okay. So that sounds good. I think we break it up into internal content. We'll have interviews. We'll also have a series of building in public. It kind of lines up well with all of that. We also are kind of promoting Masterbots at the same time, which is our internal AI project. So that's, although it's a separate project, that's also kind of very much closely associated with Bitlauncher and Bitcash. So that's good. So I think marketing, we have pretty much everything covered in terms of quick updates. Community, anything with Discord moderation or Discord?
No new updates from my side. Only we do validation verified that the links to Discord on Bitlauncher landing, they are okay. So we verified and they're fine. They're updated and everything should be fine to direct. So we just did a normal check.
Okay. So next topic is Bitcash Nigeria, or for peer-to-peer. We had them kind of help out with some of the testing, and hopefully we'll get them to help test the Bitlauncher flow next week. So just a quick update there. Anything on, I think that's it for community. So business and operations is our last. Nothing much changed there. I still haven't done the addendum for Bitcash, so I'll shoot for mid next week to get that done. Doing a investor outreach here and there of people I know, and we'll eventually do an email campaign to a lot of these VCs, angels, but really I think we'll start with just inviting them to be interviewed for our content channel, and then maybe kind of back into a conversation about potentially investing in it. Although they're not the, of course, the ideal crowd. It's probably, we're too small. Our fundraising is probably a little bit too small. We're focused on retail angels or retail investors mainly, since we're doing the seed round. So I have a legal discussion next Wednesday with legal nodes. That's pretty much it for legal. That's pretty much it. I think we covered tech, marketing, community, business, and ops. Any questions, final words?
No, no final words. I think we move forward. We have some bugs, but I think we move very good this week.
Sounds good. All right. So let's just catch up next week. And we'll probably start doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Oh yeah, starting next week, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll just do smaller updates. Cool. All right.
Awesome.
Thanks, Andler.
Thanks, June. Take care.